In this lesson, you will create a complex regular expression for telephone numbers that is difficult to understand. This is a good example of a situation where regular expressions may not be the best solution. It might be theoretically possible to validate every possible world telephone number using a regular expression. In reality, however, a regular expression of such complexity would be virtually impossible to write and debug. Instead, you could create a C# class to validate each country's telephone numbers separately. This would allow you to write clean, easily understood code that you could debug without difficulty. Be cautious in your use of regular expressions. If they become too complex to easily understand, use a class instead. Using the classes in the system.text.regularExpressions namespace, you can combine C# code and regular expressions. You will learn how to do this in Lesson 11.7. To begin this lesson, open the Textland project from your Sample Files folder. And view regularexpressions.aspx in your web browser. Now in the text box, enter 960459. This is a simple 6-digit phone number. To begin, you're going to create a regular expression that matches 6 consecutive numbers. Test the following expression. Begin square brackets 0-9, end square brackets, begin curly brackets 6, end curly brackets. This expression matches correctly. Now add a hyphen to the phone number. That's 960-459. Phone numbers are often written with hyphens or spaces, splitting them into groups of 3. Your regular expression should account for this. Change the expression to begin brackets 0-96, end brackets, or begin brackets, begin square brackets 0-9, end square brackets, begin curly brackets 3, end curly brackets, begin square brackets, space, hyphen, end square brackets, begin square brackets 0-9, end square brackets, begin curly brackets 3, end curly brackets, end brackets. This regular expression is starting to get quite complex, so let's break it down to make it more readable. 0-96, that's a 6-digit number, or a 3-digit number followed by a space or hyphen followed by another 3-digit number. Test the regular expression, and you can see that it matches your hyphenated phone number. Next, you're going to add an area code to your phone number. Change the phone number to begin brackets 0, end brackets 1632 960-459. Once again, you will need to modify your regular expression to account for the area code. At the beginning of your regular expression, add the code / begin brackets 0 / end brackets begin square brackets 0-9 end square brackets begin curly brackets 4 end curly brackets begin brackets, and then at the end of the regular expression, end brackets. Let's break this down again. begin brackets 0 end brackets will match the 0 in brackets. You need to use backslashes before each of the brackets because they are special characters. For more on this, see lesson 11.1. 0 to 9 4 will match a 4-digit number. This will match 1632. You have also added a new set of brackets to separate the 6-digit phone number expression from the area code. Finally, you're going to modify your regular expression to make the area code optional. Change the expression to begin brackets begin brackets 0 end brackets begin square brackets 0 -9 end square brackets begin curly brackets 4 end curly brackets end brackets question mark, and then the remainder of the expression. The area code expression is now in brackets, followed by a question mark. The question mark matches either 0 or 1 instances of the previous expression. The previous expression is the regular expression for the area code. Because the regular expression will match if it finds either 0 or 1 instances of the area code, it will now work with or without an area code. Even though this regular expression is very complex, it still isn't a very good solution. It relies on the user entering their phone number in a very specific way, and it isn't able to deal with country codes. One potential solution is to simplify the regular expression so that it allows any combination of numbers, brackets, hyphens, dots and spaces, as well as the plus sign. This regular expression would be begin square brackets 0 -9 space begin brackets end brackets dot plus \hyphen end square brackets plus. Although this regular expression could potentially match an invalid phone number, it wouldn't fail to match a valid phone number, and would trap many common data entry errors. Close your web browser now, and close Visual Studio. You've now completed Lesson 11.3. Create a regular expression for telephone numbers.